Hi, I'm Liz Yuille from Old Staples Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me today on my YouTube channel. Just to give you a bit of background about me and what to expect from my channel, I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. So if you like Stampin' Up projects and products, this is the place to be. If you don't know about Stampin' Up, then this is the place to be because I can talk to you about Stampin' Up. My videos are recorded as live. I don't edit them. I may do some Blue Peter moments where if something's very repetitive, I will say, and here's one I made earlier. For those of you outside the UK, you probably think I'm completely mad now. Well, guess what? I think I probably am. I chatter through my videos. If you don't like chatter, then I'm probably not the channel for you, but I do like chatter. So you will get the weather forecast, you'll get if there's a helicopter flying over, you'll get my life, and you will get some craft projects that I hope you enjoy. They are various. I do cards, I do 3D projects, I do some mini albums, scrapbooking, all sorts of things. So if you like variety, this is the place for you. If you enjoy my channel, I would be very grateful if you would subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to leave a comment, then you can always do that in the comment section in the description bar below all the videos. I always reply to comments and questions. Sometimes it may take a week or 10 days for me to get back to you, but I will always reply because that's kind of how I get to know you. So thank you very much indeed. Sit back, grab yourself a cup of your favorite beverage and enjoy my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.